Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make a buffalo spice rub. Hit it. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first visit, please do me a favor. Go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also, go down and hit that description box so you can see all the groovy links that I have down there, as well as the recipe for what we're doing today. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make a buffalo spice rub. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to start out with a half a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of ground mustard, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, grab a bowl big enough for all your ingredients. Add our garlic, our brown sugar, the salt, the pepper, cumin, chili powder, paprika, cayenne, and our ground mustard. And we are just going to mix this up really well. Take some awesome photos of it for social media. We're going to lay it in the timeline with some music. We're going to come back and we're going to talk a little bit more about this. Don't go away. Well, there it is. There is our spice rub. You want to keep it in a sealed container out of the sunlight. When you do start to make this, make sure that everything you buy for the recipe is fresh, not stuff you've had in your cupboard for like 5 years. Make sure you go out and buy everything fresh because it will last longer, if it lasts that long at all, if you use it a lot. But just my recommendation, don't use the stuff you've had in your cupboard for a couple of years if you've got like garlic powder and paprika and things like that. But you can smell the cumin in there, you can smell the chili powder, the garlic. So this is going to be a good rub. I am going to do, this is very good on, of course, chicken wings if you want to smoke those. But chicken breast, you can do it with steak too, fish, and then burgers. I'm going to actually be doing a buffalo burger that I'm going to be melting some blue cheese on. It's going to be fantastic. But I'll tag this recipe and that as well in a card. So look forward to that. But I appreciate you watching. This is a nice simple recipe. Go ahead and take care of yourselves. We will see you next time right here on It's Only Food. Bye-bye. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.